tour page is a place to support tour operators in bringing their travel services closer to customers through optimal features on Hahalolo. Let's find out how to open tours for sale and manage tours in the most flexible and effective way with just 4 simple steps. Create a tour business page. Set up an employee on a page. Set up a page. Create and manage a tour. Create a tour business page. Go to business account or visit business.hahalolo.com. At the Business Manager interface, click Business Page to start page creation. Click Create Page to start creating a business page. Select Tour to continue. Fill in the page information completely and accurately. Click Create Page to confirm new page creation. Set up an employee on a page. Go to Employees and click Add Employee. Enter email or phone number of the account assigned to become an employee. Click Add to confirm sending an invitation. Click Business Page. From the page list, select the page that you want to add an employee. Click Assign Employee. Select the name of the employee you want to assign, and select the default role which will be assigned to that employee when they work on the business page. Click Assign to finish. Set up a page. Click Page Management to start setup. Click Settings and select Business Settings to start the setup. Set basic information, including Overview, Cancellation Policy, VAT, Age, Order Notifications, Hours. Create and manage a tour. Click Tour Management and select Topic to start creating a new topic. Click Create New Topic. Set a cover photo and fill in all the information for tour topic. Click Save to finish the setup. Click Tour List. Click Start creating a new tour. Enter a tour name corresponding to the selected language and click Create to finish the setup. Proceed to set up tour details, including tour information, part, service, price settings, schedule, promotions, settings. Click Settings and select General Settings to publish the page. Turn on the button to publish the tour page. Note: in order to open tours for sale on Hahalolo, you're required to meet the following conditions. Ensure your business account has been verified. You've successfully created a payment account. At least 3 tours have been published. The age of travelers has been set up. Manage an order. Click Order Management and select Orders. Once there is an order, the system will display operations to help you easily process each order. Bring the most exciting journeys to customers with the tour creation feature of Hahalolo today.